Hello students, welcome to this session of your computer class. So now today we'll discuss about the Excel's autofill feature. There is a one extra feature, it is there in autofill. That last class we had discussed about the copying, moving, how to change your row height, how to change your column width. So these all things here, the normally formatting comes under the formatting feature, cell formatting feature. But this autofill is another one extra feature which is included with your Excel software. So this autofill feature provides us the facility of entering data value automatically by the computer. That is the main importance of this autofill. Now you see this data value, suppose 100 of data value or 50 of data value, like this manner, names or numbers or like this manner you supposed to type. Cell is provides this facility, only the row columns are providing by the Excel. This one row number and column numbers are given, A B C D E F G H, this given, and A 1 2 3 4 5 6 it is given, and this cell are already created. So your work is to be type the data. So data value you have to type, it may be your words, numbers or whatever it is, but you have to type. But in the typing of the data, if it is a series of data, if it is a sequence of data value, then easily computer will help you to fill up data in the cell. So that is the autofill feature, and this autofill feature, by using it, is possible to automatically fill up data value in the cells row wise or column wise. If you want to fill up the row, then row wise you can fill up, or column wise also you can fill up. So that one, how to do that one, you have to see now. So first of all, suppose we require to fill up the value month names. Suppose month name automatically, suppose Monday, Tuesday, month name January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So like this manner 12 months serially we want somewhere, or some purpose we need this month name. So what you will do, so here month your January, instead of to type January then in one cell, thereafter suppose here I want to fill up January here, then February here, then March here. So like this manner I like to fill up it. So what will happen, so here instead of to type literally the January with this correct spelling, thereafter February here you have to type, then March you have to type, then thereafter April you have to type. So it is time taking process. Suppose quickly if you want to fill up the sequence, then computer will help you to fill up all the sequence of month names automatically. Will fill up 12 months name, and you can get the data value automatically, and your time will be saved, and computer work will be speed up. So that is why first of all you have to, how to do so you have to learn first. So this one, you see there is an autofill feature. Okay, autofill feature is there. So this autofill feature, it is there in your, here you see here one autofill feature, this one auto sum, it is here. Okay, other mathematical calculations, and this one filter, find, select, and here just here it is down, up, left. So like this manner, series, justify, this all, this is your autofill feature. Understood? This one, this option, it is down, up, which manner you want, then you can fill up it. Okay, pattern into one or more adjacent cell. This 2 3 4 5 6 7 like this you can fill, or like this manner. So here, but first data you have to fill up, first data you have to type, thereafter in which cell you want to start, from which cell you want to begin. So that one you have to fill up first data. Suppose I want to here type January, February. Okay, so January, one first data I typed here, and after typing, then I want column wise, this one column, the column wise I am to fill up all the names of your month. Okay, January, starting from January to towards the December. So what you will do here, you go to here and here you see, first of all, here you have to fill up the second one. Now you have to select this one. Okay, January you already typed, so second one, next cell you just type, select it, and thereafter down. Okay, this one it is fill out automatically, January, you see. Then this one, suppose here series you select. Okay, now again here off, this one. Okay, off it is transferred. Thereafter see left, just you select it first, select, after selecting, then left you type, then you see it is left transfer. Then again select it, thereafter down, here already deleted, so once again you have to type January, thereafter go to the next cell, then select it, then series, fill series. Okay, this one, rows, step value 1 means between the January to February 1. Okay, so this one numbers. Okay, and another one, it is their fill handle, here it is feature, fill handle. Keep your mouse pointer under the square type of box you are looking here, black color, fill handle you just keep here, then you drag it. So here in January we are keeping. Okay, January, thereafter. Okay, then now you see here January, February, March, April, May, June, July, all the month names are already appearing here serially. If you want all the numbers, suppose number you want here, number, suppose I type here 10, and after typing 10, then next cell I want to type 20, 30, 40, like this manner I want numbers. So once after typing 10, then go to here, then here series. Okay, series, thereafter here step value, how much, step value means difference how much, 10, then stop value how much, where it will end, 100, then thereafter okay, then this one, once again it is deleted. First of all start series, then step value, trend, autofill feature is there, autofill. Okay, and here so many things are there. Okay, row to fill up. First of all one data you have to type, then one, thereafter here go to next cell, then this one series, thereafter autofill, then okay. See, particularly in some cases only it can be possible. Suppose you see, suppose day's name you want, Monday you type, thereafter you just drag it. See, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So month name, day name. So like this manner, if any group of data you have to fill up it, then easily you can fill up like this one. This is called your autofill feature. Thank you.